Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning if you're watching this video in the morning. But we're going to go ahead and get things started with this example. You may download the exact worksheet on Blackboard with the solution and then the other one without the solution. But I still prefer to have this one demoed to everybody because I know it's important to see and I'm pretty sure everybody's visual, and we're very curious how to be able to have this customized example up and running. So Microsoft Excel includes many powerful tools to perform complex mathematical calculation, including what-if analysis. So this feature can actually help everyone in this class to experiment and answer questions with our data, as you can see on our screen, even when it's incomplete. So obviously on B6 is empty or test 3. So for this example, we're all going to learn how to use what if analysis tool called GoalSeek. So first things first, whenever we create a formula or function in Excel, we actually put various parts together to calculate a result, right? So GoalSeek works in the opposite way. It lets you start with a desired result, and it's going to calculate the input value that will give you that result. So we'll use the following examples to show how to use GoalSeek for this one. So let's say you're enrolled in a class, and let's say that is the CJS 1100 class. You've got all of these grades, and by looking at it, they're pretty low, huh? So I hope these are not your grades in class, but let's face it, the passing grade for a class is 70, right? You need at least a 70 to pass the class. Luckily, you have one final assignment that might be able to raise your average, correct? You can use GoalSeek to find out what grade you need on the final assignment to pass the class. So you have test 3, and that's your only chance to be able to have everything up and running and pass the course, right? So you can see that the grades on the first 4 assignments are 58, 70, 72, and 60. And even though we don't know what the 5th grade will be, we can write a formula or a function that calculates the final grade. So in this case, each assignment is weighted equally. So all we have to do is to average all 5 grades by typing right here on the final grade. You can adjust this column if it doesn't fit. We can have a formula right there, equal sign, average, open parentheses. You can click B2 or you can type B2, colon B6. Oops, 6, close parentheses, right? And once we use GoalSeek, cell B6 will show us the minimum grade we'll need to make on that assignment. I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and right now you can see that you currently have a grade of 65, excluding B6. So first thing we need to do for this one is you select a cell with the value you want to change. Whenever you use GoalSeek, you'll need to select a cell that already contains a formula or a function. So in this example, we'll select cell B7, which is this 65, because it contains the formula equal sign average B2 colon B6. So this pertains to range of cells, right? So for that example, from the data tab, click data tab in here, click what if analysis all the way right here under the forecast group, click that arrow down and select GoalSeek from the drop down menu. So you would see here 3 fields that are very important. So a dialog box will appear with these 3 fields once you hit that forecast group. So again, I click Data tab, and then I click What If Analysis under the forecast group on the right side, and then this dialog box will appear. Okay, the first field, Set Cell, will contain the desired result. In this example, cell B7 is already selected, right? The second field, to value, which is this one, is the desired result. So in our example, we'll enter 770. That's the passing grade because we need to earn at least that value to pass the class. Okay? The third field, which is by changing cell, is the cell where GoalSeek will place its answer. So in this example, we'll select cell B6. We're going to select cell B6. So it's going to produce that running dotted line, right? Because we want to determine the grade we need to earn on the final assignment. Click OK. Few seconds. That is not magic. That is your GoalSeek status. So look at that, my dear students. For you to get a 70, you can click OK. For you to get a 70, just to pass this class, you need to earn 90 on test number 3. Right? The dialog box will tell you if GoalSeek was able to find a solution. I just hit OK. So the result will appear in the specified cell. For this example, GoalSeek calculated what we will need to score at least a 90 on a final assignment to earn a passing grade. Right? So I hope that helps. And practice when you can. Microsoft Excel is a powerful application that allows you to really compute and use complex calculation into different situation. I hope you find this video helpful, and reach out if you have any specific questions. All right, I'll see you on the next illustration. Have a wonderful day.